on the road today, and we're in the transit recovery truck. Just left. Well, we're heading up to Northern Ireland to pick up some wood. So, something to do. Might as well record it. Lads just getting diesel, food, and we'll carry on up the road. Anything interesting happens, I'll record it.
That must be 100.
That's not 100 too. But that's alright, that's only the ones coming to mail. This buck must just be getting to Donegal with his 6 by 9s.
He broke down.
Ah, fuck it, he'll be there in time for the next one.
Either he's a shaky.
No.
Jeez, no one knows where it's going. Fuck Donegal. Huh? It's over. Do I have to get in the phone?
Nah, I have to get the call. What do you mean it's over? The next one's in Killarney.
We'll swing her, you.
Honda Type R, huh?
Sure, a lot of cunts that came down yesterday as well, like when you think about it.
But there was an awful lot.
Oh,
that's
bad.
Oh, that's bad, aye. Bet he's got a big red face, is he?
Bet you he wish he'd brought a ratchet strap. Oh, that shit
I'm
for
not
him.
even laughing about that.
He got out and put his hand in his head. He wish he took off, Rip.
Oh, look how much there is.
Is it scattered all the road like?
What is
It's a full fucking pallet of it. Oh man, there's fucking about 45 sheets. Oh, there's more. Oh, look, you have them.
I'd go. I'd be gone. Plywood's not
Leave
even
it there.
price. You couldn't go neither.
Do you want to fuck it up on the bed of my truck? That fucking ratio.
We'll have some of that.
Is that for sale, mate?
We'll help you clear it up.
Oh, they're away.
Ah, that's enough. We'll do a couple of trips.
Oh, he's reversing back. He's smart. Huh? Fuck this walking crack. Well, the man on the bicycle got on with another sheet under his arm, huh?
You told me it would be sound, huh?
The Jeep is there to roll.
Oh, I'm telling you, man, there's about fucking 80 fucking 5 sheets
Oh, I
to it.
can't see. You're about to go over into that lane there.
I can't go over in that lane. There's your man in his lorry fucking boshing his whole. I don't feel half as bad if any of mine falls off the day. Could be worse, it could be a fucking full pallet. You getting ready to get these guys on fucking Snapchat there, aren't they?
I don't think we'll get up close enough to go. There couldn't be that much left, is there? Oh my god!
I'm telling you, it's a fucking full bale of it. A full fucking bale. 2 big red heads on them. Look at where they had the strap. Oh, that was a stupid fucking make up your mind with, yeah.
Let me sick of us this one.
Oh, where are these cunts gone now, man? These fuckers must be running drugs up the country, huh?
Start sending fucking calling SOS, huh?
You better get a fucking wiggle on with that fucking paintbrush because it's starting to rain.
It's starting to rain. It's not starting to rain.
No, do you know when it will start raining? As soon
As soon as land there, aye. Yeah, as soon as you open the door.
Fucking torrential thunder, lightning, hailstones, the whole fucking get in your prick. Fucking leave me, you're going to hit send a tow truck for your tow truck.
R188.
Oh, that's right, this is the car that you can get roofed the bastard.
Turn right onto
Give me a fucking
R188.
chance to get to the junction.
Just pulled over, the man's went to The garage there to get fags and get me a coffee. I've just got to stretch the legs. We're getting there now. Don't ask me how that, because I do not know.
Head northeast on Cabin Road, R188 toward Drummond.
I don't know, I wouldn't have a red one.
No?
No. I know the fucking blue is fucking, it's overpopulated.
For the horses up here, so
Probably get a handful.
I want a horse.
You said that before, right? You also said you wanted a motorbike.
Huh?
You also said you wanted a motorbike.
I know, but
Why don't I? That man's for it. Fuck it, this must just bring us in a different.
that's a lot of shit.
Seem to remember you saying that the last time. Don't remember that big concrete lorry doing that. There's a fucking tractor going vertical. Yeah. Aye, yeah, fucking so.
We
Hey,
can
what?
winch anyways, keep going in there. Oh, we're in a ditch.
Fucking good ground up here, boy. Fucking bad, he's fucking moved. He's just a wee prick.
We're all in and out of bears.
I know. I'm all fucking around in the bodies and all.
This bear in the back in front
I
of
don't
us.
know. It's an end, so. Right.
Is he long here? No.
That's going to be one say haircut.
You wouldn't know what you were in town, this bit. Actually, still standing there anyway, it's not burnt.
Look at me sewer pipe.
That's an awesome thing.
I know. I could use it, like. I can boil this out of the sky, like.